KLEEMANN, your first choice in lifts. Are you designing on a project and need quick solutions for the shafts and elevators in a building? Do you need elevator drawings for your architectural project? Use the innovative KLEEMANN Portal desktop app and get everything you need effortlessly. This tutorial video will help you get acquainted with how the KLEEMANN Portal works. But before we proceed, why don't we go over some elevator terminology that you will find useful while using this tool. Let's start with a shaft plan. You can see the front side, which is designed in the main entrance of the building, the left side, the right side, and rarely the back side. We also have the shaft width, the shaft depth, the cabin width, the cabin depth, the concrete opening width, the clear door opening, and the total door opening. You can also view the shaft in a 3D plan form. This is the concrete opening height, the total door width, the shaft width, the total door height, the clear door opening, the clear door height. Keep these terms you see in mind. You will need them later. Let us now check the section view and the measurements we will use to create accurate drawings. On this 3D, you see the total headroom, which is the vertical distance between the finished floor level of the top entrance and the roof of the shaft. You also see the travel, which is the vertical distance between the finished floor level of the first entrance and the finished floor level of the top entrance of the shaft. Finally, you see the pit, which is the vertical distance from the finished floor level of the first entrance to the bottom of the shaft. You should be now familiar with the terms we will come across while entering your project's data to produce a one-entrance elevator drawings. But what happens when there are two entrances? Here's the shaft plan with two entrances. As you see, we have entrances on the front and on the rear side of the shaft. Do you see how the plan changes? We use the same dimensions here as we did on the one entrance plan too. Take some time and observe them to see how the plan is modified. Now we're going to see the front side view AA, the back side view CC, and the section view BB. In a case like that, we have two views to show you, one of the front side and one of the rear side. At this point, the dimensions remain the same, including one more cabin door. You are now ready to enter KLEEMANN Portal. First of all, go to portal.KLEEMANNLIFTS.com. Create your account and sign in. As soon as you do, you will receive your credentials by email. Fill out the form with your details. Welcome to your account. This is the homepage of KLEEMANN Portal. Let's have a quick look. On the top right of the page, we find the languages KLEEMANN Portal is available in. We scroll down for an overall view of the products. Choose one product and easily create your plans. In case you don't find the product you're looking for, scroll down and click on Looking for Another Product banner. Choose the product you're interested in, fill out the form, and we will answer you with a proposal that suits you best. At the footer, documents and contact details are available. Why don't we choose an Atlas Basic to start with? We mouse over the product and quickly view its key specs. Let's assume that the shaft is ready. In this case, we click on the Shaft Priority banner. We are now on the Atlas Basic Selections page. Let's get started with the basic characteristics by entering the project name and details. We fill in the travel length, the number of stops, the speed, the shaft headroom and pit. We continue with the car entrances by choosing single entrance and the specific options for each floor. For this tutorial, and in order to save us some time, let's keep the default options and proceed. On this page, we enter the dimensions of the shaft and the cabin. We fill out the shaft width and depth and continue by choosing the internal size of the cabin that suits us most. We remain on the same page, and now we go to Cabin Basics and select the type of cabin we want. We then choose the cabin height, the door type and its width and height. We keep the default choices to save time. At this point, we can select the control panel and its type. Let's proceed to the next step. We are now at the cabin's design section, where we can select from a wide range of materials, walls, floors, ceiling, etc., and design with a real-time preview the cabin that best suits our needs. Spend some time on this page and browse all the available options. When ready with the cabin design, we can download it in a PDF format. On this page, we find a list of extra features we can add to our lift. We now press Continue and proceed to the final step. We go over our selections. If there's nothing to change, we click on the Create Drawing tick box. We can also make a request for a technical description document. And that was it. In 10 minutes, we will receive our elevator drawings in our email. We wait and check our inbox. Wasn't that easy and fun? Remember, make your everyday work easier. Access KLEEMANN Portal. KLEEMANN, your first choice in lifts.